How to change PST file location in Outlook. First, open your Outlook Classic application. Then, click on the File tab. From here, select Account Settings and again click on Account Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Account Settings window, go to the Data Files tab. Now, select the Outlook data file, PST, whose location you want to change, and click on Open File Location. This will open the folder where your PST file is currently stored. If you try to move the PST file from here, it won't work because Outlook is still running in the background. So make sure to completely close Outlook, including all its windows. Next, go back to the PST file location. Now, cut the file by pressing Ctrl+X and paste it into your desired location using Ctrl+V. Once done, reopen Outlook. You may now see an error message indicating that the PST file cannot be found. If the error doesn't appear automatically, go back to the File tab, then expand the Account Settings menu and click on Account Settings. After that, on the Account Settings window, open the Data Files tab. Select the Outlook data file you moved, and this time you can see the Open File Location option is hidden. So simply just double-click on the Outlook data file, and at this point, Outlook will display an error saying the PST file cannot be found. Simply click OK, and Outlook will prompt you to browse for the file. Simply navigate to the new location of your PST file, select it, and click Open. Finally, click OK to confirm. And that's it! Outlook has now updated the new location of your PST file. To verify it, restart your Outlook app and again come back to the Data Files tab. Select your PST file, and this time you can see the Open File Location option is visible, and by clicking on it, you can see the new location of your PST file. That's how you can successfully change the PST file location in Outlook. Thanks for watching!